Where are we going?
To the creek.
To the creek?
Yeah.
Let's go check out Fulla got. Maybe your puppies will come along.
Okay.
Gatsby and Lenny. You want your puppies to come?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go before they come in here.
It's raining.
Excuse the mess, but it's been pouring. Stop. You recognize it's our raincoats. Come on, let's go.
And it's raining, guys.
And it's raining, guys. Just got a life vest for safety. Safety first, right, Gigi?
Oh, yeah.
We gotta be safe first. There's Gatsby. Oh, there he goes. There's Lenny. Come on, let's go. Gatsby's ready to go.
Gatsby's ready to get it.
I don't know about Lenny. Come on, you can walk in front of me. Oh, watch the puddle. Yeah, go that way. Just want to see if the creek filled up. Yeah, come on. I know. Gatsby's excited. Gatsby's excited. I don't know about Lenny. I don't know if Lenny wants to come.
Lenny wants to come, but he doesn't want to.
There we go. He does want to come.
Okay.
Maybe not. Watch your step.
Okay.
There you go. You're fine. Your hand. There goes Gatsby. Come on. Come on, Lenny. You're fine. There's Lenny.
There's Lenny.
Not too thrilled about the water. Oh, there we go. There goes Gatsby. Gatsby loves it. And look how full the creek is. We were supposed to fish today. I don't think we are.
Think I get a fish
Due
today?
to this weather. Maybe tomorrow?
Yeah.
Can you say hi, Tessa?
Hi. Look at the water.
Yeah, it's full. There's Tessa, German short-haired pointer,
And German Shepherd.
and her German Shepherd. Yeah. Okay, come on. Let's walk over here, guys.